Let's talk about why you should learn Node.js. With Node.js, you will be writing JavaScript code. That means you can focus on only one programming language for both backend and front-end web development. It is also extremely fast because it runs on V8 engine and uses non-blocking code. And you will also learn about what is blocking and non-blocking code in the later chapters. Okay, so basically the V8 engine is Google's open source high performance JavaScript engine. It is written in a programming language called C++, and it is used in Chrome, Google Chrome, and also in Node.js, and there are some other platforms using this V8 engine as well. So you may ask how this V8 engine works. Let me give you a bit more information about this V8 engine and why JavaScript need such engine. Okay, V8 engine takes JavaScript code and compiles it into much faster machine code. Machine code is a low-level code that your computer can run directly. So Node uses NPM, which is another great reason to use Node.js. NPM is the world's largest library of open source packages. So you can use those existing packages to build up your application without having to write them on your own from scratch. Node.js is also great for building real-time applications. And not only that, it is also expanding its territory to other platforms such as building a desktop application or even robotics and machine learning. So the present and future looks pretty solid for Node.js developers. So these are some of the few reasons I think why you should consider learning Node.js.